The Sagrada Familia in Barcelona is an iconic landmark that attracts tourists from around the world. This architectural masterpiece, designed by Antoni Gaudí, is a symbol of Barcelona's rich cultural heritage and serves as a testament to Gaudí's unique style. Drone photography offers viewers a unique perspective on this architectural marvel and enhances their overall understanding and appreciation of its beauty from above. The Sagrada Familia offers a breathtaking landscape with its intricate facades, towering spires, and stunning stained glass windows. The combination of Gothic and Art Nouveau elements creates a truly mesmerizing sight that leaves visitors in awe. Visitors can explore the interior of the basilica and marvel at its grandeur. The play of light through the stained glass windows creates a magical ambiance that adds to the spiritual atmosphere of the place. Whether you are an architecture enthusiast or simply looking to immerse yourself in Barcelona's vibrant culture, a visit to the Sagrada Familia is sure to leave an indelible impression on your travel memories.